So how do you put CapCut videos on YouTube through the iPad? Let's explain that. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, at first, when you are editing videos in CapCut, which you intend to upload to YouTube, make sure that you export them and set them up the proper way, right? So inside of the CapCut, you're going to tap on aspect ratio, and you can see that the YouTube icon is for the horizontal video, which is 16:9, right? So you want to make sure that you have that selected for good aspect ratio for YouTube videos. However, if you plan on uploading the YouTube shorts, click on the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is a vertical video. But of course, once you have all of the edits ready, you can export that, and the exported video will appear in your gallery, right? So it's in the Photos app, right? So you can locate it like this. And in order to put it on YouTube, to upload it, make sure you have your YouTube app ready. Click on the plus button below or like at the bottom of the app. Go to video and choose the video from the gallery, right? So it's going to appear at the top. The one you have exported latest from CapCut will be right there. So you can select it, just go to next and just proceed with all of these settings, right? Like type in your description and all of the things which you need to do. And then you will just upload it to YouTube as a regular video. So I hope it all works out. I mean, it should, but if it doesn't, let me know about that below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it because I make so many tutorials. I'm just trying to help you out as much as possible. So stay tuned so you don't miss those videos by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.